For power applications, Positrol's Rotary Intensifier actuates the hydraulic chucks or arbor. If service is required, you should send the unit back to Positrol for any repairs. For initial setup of the arbors or chucks, the following procedure is provided. Mount both the actuator and arbor to the machine with the hydraulic tube connected between them. Hook the machine clamp and unclamp hoses to the actuator. Turn down the cylinder pressure on the machine. Pressurize unclamp hydraulic line. Loosen the bleed set screw on the actuator. Bleed the air out. Tighten the screw. Then loosen the bleed screw on the arbor or chuck. Bleed the air out. Retighten the set screw. Pressurize the clamp hydraulic line. Loosen the bleed screw on the actuator. Bleed the air out. Retighten the set screw. Continue this process several times until air is bled out of both the actuator and the arbor. Now the arbor or chuck must be set up for the specified expansion or contraction. Pressurize clamp line and raise pressure until maximum expansion or contraction is achieved. Do not exceed expansion tolerances as specified on the print. Set unclamp pressure to 2/3 clamping pressure. Set proximity switches for clamp, unclamp, and over travel on the sensor disc. With your periodic care and attention to proper maintenance, you will receive normal product life and maximum performance from your Positrol products. Should you have any questions not answered in this instructional video, please feel free to give your Positrol representative a call or our American headquarters in Cincinnati, Ohio.